Owning a Volkswagen Passat is a solid choice for those craving German engineering without breaking the bank. It delivers a refined driving experience, ample interior space, and impressive fuel efficiency. However, every choice has its downsides, so let's dive into it. One of the most appealing aspects of the Passat is its affordability for a mid-size sedan. It's more budget-friendly compared to its other German counterparts, offering a premium feel without a premium price tag. But budgets can be tricky, and there's more to consider. The interior space in the Passat is one of its standout features. With spacious rear legroom, it's a fantastic choice for families or anyone ferrying passengers frequently. The trunk space also applauds its practicality, letting you pack for those weekend getaways with ease. As with any vehicle, maintenance costs can be a pain point. While the Passat offers German engineering, it's not immune to higher than average repair costs. Pro tip, regular upkeep and a solid warranty can help manage these expenses effectively. When cruising on highways, the Passat's fuel efficiency is commendable, a significant draw for long distance drivers. The latest models boast a respectable MPG, ensuring more miles between fuel stops. But remember, city driving might tell a different story. The sophisticated design of the Volkswagen Passat appeals to many with its sleek lines and understated elegance. It's a head turner for sure, but some may find the design too conservative, wishing for something bolder or more distinctive. Safety features in the Passat are robust, aligning with Volkswagen's reputation for vehicle safety. Driver assistance technologies like adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring are available, adding layers of protection, which are crucial for peace of mind on the road. Performance-wise, the Passat isn't designed for speed enthusiasts, and while it offers a comfortable ride, the horsepower may not satisfy those craving adrenaline-infused driving. And then patience on acceleration might be necessary depending on the driving style. The infotainment system of the Passat is user-friendly, featuring a touchscreen interface that's easy on the eyes. Despite being intuitive, some users may feel it doesn't match the cutting-edge tech found in rival models, which could be a sticking point. Resale value can be a critical consideration for any car owner. Passats historically hold their value reasonably well, but market fluctuations can affect this. It's wise to stay informed on depreciation rates and market trends if resale value tops your list. Volkswagen's warranty offerings provide some reassurance, typically covering the Passat for 4 years or 50,000 miles. However, extending this coverage might be worth considering for long-term peace of mind against unexpected repairs. Ultimately, owning a Volkswagen Passat can be a rewarding experience if the pros align with your needs. Every vehicle has its merits and limitations, and the Passat's blend of style, space, and economy makes it a compelling choice for many.